I'll try recording and streaming at the same time this time, since there is a possibility that I need to shut the stream to pause and reboot the stream for testing stuff. But I don't think I'll touch Twitch extensions today. Separate window. This can go here. This separate Chrome window to show documentation and stuff. I hope there won't be too much lag. I need a new PC. I need to upgrade stuff, and I'll also need to find out what in OBS is taking that much. So let's say I probably should go in studio mode. I haven't started at all on this, so it might be an empty stream, but I should be able to do some progress. So let us say Chrome extension API. That's a page I'm going to need. This, and then I do that. Oh, right, I can name windows. Name window. View sharing thing. Blah, 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 blah. No. It's this one, but also it's not this one. There it is. Oh, okay. It just shows the studio mode was kind of useless, but I don't think it's a problem. Yeah. I guess I should make some kind of plan on what I want to do and what I need to do to get this working. This is fine. This works well. Okay. If I play some music without putting it on stream, all seems fine too. So for now it's a silent stream, but it's a stream to make it so it doesn't stay a silent stream. So I should have a page about this. Up. Is it my point? The internet? Network? No, streaming. I'm doing. VR. What came out? Syncing. Yeah, it's slow. Ah, okay. Hide this, hide this, hide this, hide this. Forward in multiple directions. Uh, Changing the, how do you say that? Loading YouTube videos. Changing with ID. Moving to a certain certain timestamps. Syncing the timestamp. Like I want to load the page, then say I want to go at that second in the page. Then I want to know if I'm actually at the right time on the time I want to the timestamp. Just to make sure it's kind of synced. I don't want to be like millisecond synced, but I want the viewer to have a general like feeling of hearing the same thing as I do. So that's one. Let's say local. Let's call that to do. Here. Then there's the actual sharing the playlist viewing. And I see it mostly as either a file, so some kind of metadata, some kind of like list of timestamps and videos, and as streaming itself. So you'd go on a website or maybe even Twitch, like on the Twitch page here, you'd click on a button and you would receive in real time information on what I'm watching. But that's kind of not necessary. That's the main point. So I need to do it, but also it's like an extension I can work on, but probably not today. Especially like hosting, finding a way to host that streaming, or host the place to serve the streaming data is going to be not a problem. So I guess let's start by making the framework for an extension. Okay. See. Why? I don't think I've got WebStorm in my views, in my sources. I don't see it. Weird. Might be treated as CLion. Anyway. Open how I did it with social thing. Tap, tap, tap. Web? No, Rust. Social thing. You just need the manifest. Post this. Manifest JSON. Yeah, do it anyway. What? Just paste the whole thing. For now, view sharing thing is how I'm. Though I did create a Twitch extension and I chose a name for it, like view stream view share. I don't even remember. Sharing stream service view sessions. Sharing stream service sessions. Let's call that. Let's put it that way. The content script. Yes. Yeah, we'll need a content script. It should match youtube.com for now. Then I want it to work for YouTube first, but it could select should work for Spotify and stuff. It's just moving from page to page. And that's not necessary. Website accessible resources in general, I don't need that. I guess we need a play. Some kind of play pause state. So we need some kind of background page, I guess, to hold that. I haven't touched background pages on Chrome. Though for now I think we should be able to simulate it locally, like in the web tools without putting it in the extension. There. So first, I want to know on what video I am, for example. Should be able to just put YouTube here. Let's see. What's a video playlist that's safe to show? This wonderful opportunity just came out, so let's go with that. I mean, no, that's not. Let's do some Marasi. First one that comes in the suggestions. Nothing weird in the recommended. There would be nothing weird. Here. What? There. Big old video. So first, to get the ID, I would suppose window, that location, that path name, that query, search. Yeah, search dot get v. Nope. Get item v. Oh, search is just search. It's just mdn location. So we've got search. Blah 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 is a search string. Modern browsers provide. I can zoom that. Modern browsers provide URL search params. Oh, search params. Okay. I would suppose that that's a thing. It is not. URL, the search params, but location is basically URL. Click. Ah, there it is. Boop. We've got a video ID. That just for now that'll work. How do we know the current timestamp? Yes, I should note that on more granular. Loading video with ID, moving timestamp, getting current ID, getting current time. Just make all of these as two. There. Truly, I don't know what I'm doing. We have access to a video tag. We go at 35 for some reason. And we say that I think I can, if it's like that, I can just $0 that blah 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 blah. That's, I don't want the HTML but the JavaScript for it. I think it's media. No, HTML video element. Though media should work. Height, width, auto picture in picture, disable blah blah. Gecko specific properties. Get video playback quality no. Request no. Enter leave. That's interesting. probably shows video specific ones, and we want media stuff. Audio tracks, autoplay, buffered controller, controls, current time. Should I put it at 2 tabs? No. Oh, current source is interesting. No, not really. 43 and yeah, 43 seconds. Okay. Let's copy this line. Please. For now, that's done. Getting current time. Document that get element by video L dot current time. Yeah, no, we just know that's good. Now loading a video with the ID should be just changing the location. Say we have a second video and things. And I say window dot location blah 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 location equal. Can I just that clearly can't work. Can it? It does? Okay. It barely. Yeah, okay. Though it did blah 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 blah. Interesting. So I could just enter the path name. Clearly smoother than that, but it worked. It did the job. Copy. This is garbage. Yeah. Now moving to a timestamp. Well, I should be just a question of going on the right, setting the right current time. Is current time, it's not really nice. Let's say we go, no. Does it have an ID? What? The browser is dying. Anyway. Tab index, control list. So I like to scroll. Please. No, I don't think it has an ID that's wrapped around here. So I just tag name, video. There's one. The one. That current time equal, let's say, like 50. Boom. Jump. Getting more. Come on. Go. Paste. Time second. What? Seconds. Syncing timestamp. Well, that's just the checking that current time checking what current time was supposed to be and then syncing that. It should work pretty good. Like we can put an interval every like minute or so, just check if we're at the right time, if not move. And we don't want to jump too much. So I suppose we should be able to record sharing format, let's say. Here, sharing, or like server, like host, while this would be client. Host should be able to record when they jump to a certain video, when they play and stuff. They should be able to record what page they go on and what timestamp they go. I guess we could start with the timestamp thing. Yeah, that would be fun. So I need an event when I say, well, record, change video, pause, play, record, jump timestamps. So media, do we have some events? Select, unencrypted, on waiting for key. Huh. It's interesting. And I suppose it's not available. Select properties, method, add texture, blah 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 blah. Pause, play, yeah. Seek to next frame. Events. Abort, can play through, duration change, emptied, ended, load, pause, play. How do we do that? Document, add, event listener, or do I need to add it directly? I think I need to add it directly on the video. Do we know what it gives us? Don't care about the search params. Place fire when the pause property is changed to get event. What oh. Console their event, and then console log play. Then do the same thing for pause. That's the first. It doesn't work. Play. Oh, there you go. Play. Pause. It's not fast, but it works. And then we can just record the timestamp after the pause. I want to know what's in event, but it's probably just a standard HTML event. Blah 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 blah. And get the path, get the target, what we want. Or source element. Did it change? No. Current target is null. That's interesting. But yeah, source element is more targets, probably what we're gonna use. So where to store that information? For now, can I do, let's say, var play log or something called an array, I suppose? Yeah. Play log equal an array. Then I'm gonna reset just to clean things up. Junk. Dev tool ready to load source map and load content from. Who cares? Or you just clear it, please. Thank you. Var play log blah 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 equal array. Here play log dot push. Make it an object. Pause. Instruction. Yeah. Instruction. Should I? Okay. Pause. Effect. Oh no. That's not what I wanted to do. Time event dot target dot current time. It's gonna mess things up, but it kind of works. Play. Pause. Yeah. And then our play log has a bunch of instructions and timestamp on when I did it. Can I have a jump time event? Playing when playback is ready to start after having been paused or delayed. Oh, that's interesting. Rate change. Oh, fire period periodically has okay. Seeking stalled span time update when the time indicated by the current time has been updated. That might be what we want. Time update. Yeah. Time update. I suppose it gives you some. No, because you need to fetch the current time anyway. Event the target the current time. Yeah. Let's not put play log for now. Time update. Yeah, that's what I thought. Volume change, waiting, seeking, stall. Empty can play through, abort can play. No, that's not. Waiting. around 4 hertz. Now that's definitely not what I want. So I should probably zoom that the zoom Chrome the whole way. This, unlock this. That'll do. Hehe. Um, should be more careful about showing the browser history, but there's nothing embarrassing there at the moment. So what I want to search is video time update event jump or something. How often does time event now? Video stop at indicated time. Interesting. Focus. Listener forgets values. Very interesting. Still now event when clicking on timestamp? No. How to make an event fire when a video didn't directly display. Video event when jumping on timestamp. I don't know. Call back when current time changed manually. HTML. When I change the video element current time to a point where it hasn't buffered, the video stops playing, and I want to know when it starts playing as soon as the first frame. I have tried can play and playing without success, though I did get it to work by using play and pause. It wouldn't work, would it? Time update. Yeah. So, I mean, we could do just subscribe to the time update, and if the time update is separate from the like it's different from the last update, then we trigger our stuff. Or we could literally just record every time updates. Like, yeah. Well, yeah, we could record every time updates in general. And that would be a bit overkill though. So. What I would do is keep a listener on all 4 events as well, blah blah blah. Nope. This doesn't have anything to do with what we're doing. Time update manual. It's the key phrase. It should be easily doable. What? Yeah. It's Video.js. Interesting. I don't think I've seen much of this. I guess it's really for custom players. I mean, for now, we could, um, and I suppose if I do click here, do this, it does a time update. I want to know when it's paused, there's no problem. When it's paused, you just record every time updates. Otherwise, I want to know when it's playing and the timestamp differs from, but what's our comparison point? Like the current timestamp is supposed to be, but we already know that. I'm not gonna like keep track of the delta time. Am I? I guess we could. Um, so I get current time, I get now time plus time in seconds. So I think state that now. In my, well, let's say this date that now I'm done. Var last now equal date that now. Please. Last now minus date that now is in millisecond. Well, smaller. That's how time works. Here divided by 1000. So we've got seconds. Okay. So I should probably note my methods. Yeah. Here. Oh, that's interesting. The video goes out. If I come back, it's here. And if I go out, yeah, when the page is unfocused, I can't stream the video. Yeah. So I want to hide this. Go back here. Let's say copy const play log. Let's keep calling it is an array. And then we're gonna add for 3 events. Blah. On play log that push instruction play timestamp. Well, yeah, just take that now. We did play at that time. Yeah, let's just note current time. Event dot target that current time. Play. I guess we could const logged or some instruction. Nah, not worth it. Sure. Blah, blah, blah. Pause, pause, pause. Same here. And then here we log. I just want to have, no, I don't want to log anything yet. I just want to if play log that there's no last yet, right? Last in, yeah. -1. Though I think they added an at. I don't know if I can use it. Kind of interested. Actually, can test on the spot. Play log that at -1. Oh, it works. I don't know if I should use it, but I don't care that much, so. Dot timestamp. So we get the timestamp of the last thing. Date.now minus current. Wait, okay, let's start now. Const cur now. Current time. Current now equal date.now. If const delta equal, I don't need to store current now. Timestamp minus, no, date.now minus timestamp. Divided by 1,000. Time might have a second mdn date.now. It returns a number. Okay. And date itself has a now method. But that's a prototype, and I think it's different. You don't have it just get now in seconds, and it's not worth it. It would do exactly what I'm doing, and I'm not showing MDN anyway. Here, so divided by 1,000, which is console log. No. So if current current time the time. If current time, no, play log that at -1 that current time is actually play log that current time minus delta minus current time plus delta. Give us the eps. This should give us the discrepancy between do that. Actually, I should vary star video L equal. Whoops. Then if we come back on Chrome, no, here, go on here and refresh. I think I can just go on the console. Yeah. Bam, kablam. Then if I chip, it should break. It's not a problem. And then if I play, that's a very small number. So if we say that's less than 0.5, well, less than 0.1 at this point, yeah. So if or we can sort discrepancy. And see, I don't know how to type that. Oh, I'm not showing the right. Here. Discrepancy? Is that a discrepancy? With an I. Discrepancy. Call this. If discrepancy is bigger than 0.1, play log that push blam time update timestamp date now. Should I? There's yeah in current time blah blah. Yeah, push here. Only log if there is a discrepancy. It's just and the other question is yeah, we've got playlog that add here. If there is no playlog instruction, that length question this else just one. Oh no, we've got the playlog add. Being dumb. But I'm pretty sure JavaScript has some nice construction thing. Destruction? I don't know. Last current time. Does it have tuples? Where did I see that? Where they Oh, I guess I need an array. Like, arrays are JavaScript tuples. this. Really garbage. Nah. If play log that length equals couple else for now. Let's put back Chrome. It should be here. Refresh that. Hide all of this. Kablam, kablam. Play pause, time update. Well, technically, yeah, I don't need, if it stores the play and pause. No, right? Yeah. Then I don't need the plays then. No, it would be nice if I had the clear play instruction when I click on play. Was it on pause that it did that? No, clearly on play. I'm curious as to why those came out. Oh, it does a play pause. Interesting. Is it because I hold it? Oh. But if I do this, it doesn't even. Why? Pop, 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 pop. No, not this one. This one. I'm gonna go fetch a snack real quick. At this point, I can just add the extension. Somehow. Manage extensions. Load on act. Web here. Select. It worked. If I I'm not even. If I refresh. Ah, that might be it. I did not take the absolute value. Is it map that apps? I think it should update. If it does, then I can just do that. I don't know if it does. No, clearly no. So the resources update, but not the content script. That's interesting, but I can just reload it on the side. It's gonna be annoying though. Yeah, the first timestamp is normal. And that's a lot of logs. Pause. Time update. Why? Why? I should add the discrepancy. Well, no. It's normal? Yes, it's perfectly normal. We receive a time update. You see that since the last log, it's a long time, so you log it. Yeah, of course. What's my issue? This is weird. The fact that there's 2 time updates is weird. It's not the end of the world. Like having more time updates is not a problem, but it'd be nice if I reduced the useless ones. So my point is, this works. It's important. If I do with the arrows too, as long as it's more than like 0.1 of a second, then I would be okay with that level of errors. And pause. So now that we have that, I guess a good test would be if I could have 2 tabs together. One tab is registered to record, and one tab is registered to load the to load and try to sync them together. That would be kind of dope if it worked. I need some kind of background data, need some kind of just cached data, and for that I need to go plunge into the Chrome extension things. And I don't know what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is a way to get the current extension. Yeah, let's add a button. Let's add some kind of extension button at the top right. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Wouldn't want to record all the time. Use the commands API to add keyboard shortcuts that trigger actions for your extensions. Not really. There should be some kind of guide for this. Distributing best practices. Watch this video. Where am I? API reference, overview. What are extensions? Core concepts. Message passing, content script, manage events, match patterns, promises, cross-origin isolation, eval, overriding, extending, OAuth2, overriding pages. This page was migrated directly from the MV2 document set. It has not been validated with compliance. Okay. Overwrite pages are a way to substitute an HTML file for your extension from your extension for a page that Google Chrome normally provides. Huh. But yeah, I suppose I knew that new page could be modified, but history and bookmark manager is different things. Samples. Focus extensions focus on a single API package. Tutorials. Page reader. Yeah. I suppose bookmark crate. Yeah. Cookie clearer. Omnibox. I wonder if I should use the add a button at the end of the address bar. That's kind of relevant. Share this page. Now, because I still need a universal load button basically, so I can jump from YouTube to a Spotify, for example. I keep saying Spotify. Since I don't use Spotify myself, it would be kind of pointless to put effort on it right now. So YouTube and YouTube Music probably. So web accessible resources. Call it directly. Chrome extension. Badge tag button. Yeah. Oh, right. Yes, I suppose that's not. I did not ask that in the context of making one. Dev button. Blah blah blah. Yeah, I suppose it should be in the manifest. Introducing, yeah. Overview of. I keep forgetting what's the page to see. Migration list, support timeline, migrating, overview, API reference. It's not an API reference. Introducing? No. Is it not an overview? No. Action API. Blah blah. A note about extensions policies. Extensions should fulfill a single purpose that is narrowly defined and easy to understand. I suppose also that's a detail. I don't need to care that much. They can range from a simple icon such as an AMP validator to opening a new window with a form. Take a small step into extensions with this quick hello extensions example. Start by creating a new directory to store the extensions files or download it from the sample page. Next, add a file called manifest blah blah blah. Every extension requires a manifest blah blah blah. For this quick start, the extension has a pop-up file and an icon declared under action field. This is v3, right? Yeah, v3. Default pop-up. Do I need a pop-up? I don't think. Yeah, at least 2 buttons or something. Download hello extensions here. extension now displays HTML when the icon is open. That's fun. Hello extension, hi. Interesting. Should I go on font awesome for that? Yeah, maybe. No, that. I hope that did not pick up on the mic. Play. Play. Download. This account is licensed under Creative Commons Attribution 4, blah blah. You must give appropriate credit. Should I use Tomoji instead? Play it's kind of, yeah, just an icon. Let's go hop onto emoji. I don't really know what to expect. Is there a play emoji? There's play. Kinda. I don't think it's gonna be a pretty one. Code is under MIT, graphics under, again, Creative Commons Attribution 4. I mean, I'm not sharing. Yes, I should care about it. Blah. Share copy registry. It's so not important though right now. Yes, it's very not important right now. Like I will add a note physically right now. Do I know the emoji in question? Emopedia. Please. Please. There you go. Blah 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 blah. F. No? Okay. Oh, it's probably in the more. 2, 3, E, F. In this repo. We couldn't. Come on. Yes, I know. Should I download them all? Because that's a lot of stuff. I don't necessarily know which one it's gonna be. Am I missing? Am I read it properly? Proper? I don't know. Don't know. What? Hello. It wasn't too big. Not sure if I should give myself a deadline. How about until 7? How much time has it been? Yeah, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, I kind of want to play Spider-Man after that. Now I don't know what I'm doing, so technically I could like work until midnight, but I don't want to. Please open when complete. It should be completed. It's so important. Just let me download the here save link as. There, project, web, view sharing thing, Kablam. How was it called? Hey, hello extend ng. Pop up that HTML. How did they phrase that action? I'll just here, here, refresh. There. I'm not even showing it, but that's okay. Postman inspector, yeah. Giant monkey, yeah. Very large. Ah, there it is. Bing. We got a button with pop-ups. Though I didn't like there. I probably wouldn't show up in the page. So with that, we go back on VS Code. Go on that pop-up HTML. I don't know. Yeah, I suppose I'm supposed to add blah blah. I suppose I should add the whole duck type thing. I don't remember by heart the plot the how do you call that? B B. No, I don't remember the necessary code that's already always repetitive and stuff. Copy paste. Should really put tabs as default. So head, who cares? Body. Let's just add 2 buttons. Share. I have no idea how I'm going to call them. Then save. I suppose that it. Oh, okay, it does. Will it show if I go here? No, I hide too much. There. Oh, we don't even. What? Oh, okay, it's a pop-up, so it doesn't show on stream anyway. Shrink it to this. Then do that. So, how to call methods from the content script? Probably not. My goal right now is to take. Well, yeah, I suppose I should activate the thing on the content script. So I need some kind of uh, communication between the two. I don't think I can access it from the pop-up itself. Anyway, we don't have scripts right now on the pop-up. It's just some blank HTML. Command. The extension now displays HTML, hello HTML when the icon is clicked. The next step is to include a command in the manifest.json that enables a keyboard shortcut. This step is fun, but not necessary. Okay, so I'll skip it. The last step is to install the blah blah blah. You can now use your pop-up base extension by clicking on blah blah. It just shows execute action, open HTML. So that is the clicking on the button is the action that shows the pop-up. So I suppose I should search more about actions. Chrome that action to control the extension's icon. Huh. It's some weird, like you'd expect it to be more about the icon. Use the Chrome action to control blah blah. The following keys must be declared blah blah. You can use Chrome action to control the toolbar button for your extension in Chrome. Yeah, reading everything out loud is kind of annoying. The action is displayed on the right next of the Omnibox. Okay, so it's not the address bar, it's the Omnibox specifically. After installation, though I think there was something separate, or I might be mistaking with Firefox or something. In order to use, you need to specify manifest version 3 and include action in the manifest. Yeah. The icon can be set programmatically using action.setIcon. To set a static image should not be used to simulate animation. Indeed. Tooltip, badge, pop-up. Actions pop-up will be shown when the user clicks on the extension's action button. Set pop-up, okay, with a relative path. Per tab state. Oh. Could set a badge text to be different on each tab. Set value for individual tab using tab ID property. Get tab ID, get tab badge. Oh. Enabled state. Common pattern for an extension is to expose the primary functionality using the extension's action. And the user clicks the action, the extension injects the content strict into the current page. The content script then displays an alert to verify that everything worked as expected. blah blah blah, default title, permission, active tab, scripting, background JS. Just creating the background JS file. See my cursor? Yeah. Background JS, Chrome action that unclicked add listener. Scripting so slow. Tab.id. Interesting. Interesting. Let's just copy paste that in background and copy content script there. Oh, well, thank you. Uh, well, yes, have a good day too. And I think you succeeded in asking how are you. I'm pretty good. Yeah, I'll switch to Spider-Man soon. I hope I can play it. It's downloaded and everything. And thanks for passing by. Um, but yeah, I'm mostly using the stream to force myself to work forward on that. Um, it's not any. It's not supposed to be complicated or anything. I don't know if it's doable. Like the end product, because it's not a service that exists and it's pretty simple. Like I don't understand why it doesn't exist yet. Let's remove scripting. Why is it still in spaces? And reload the extension. Now if I go on YouTube, refresh. Ah, okay. Well, have if you get that, have a nice day. Yeah, and I want to click on the button, which does it work? Play? It does not. um, I should add some kind of console log to for init. Blah blah blah. Initializing. I'm not showing it, but initializing view sharing thing. It's more of a different than thing. Reload. Refresh. Some errors. It's mostly source message. Like C data mixin will be applied to all legacy source map. Preload failed. Huh. And if I click on it, please, did it work? Who knows? No, it would not. Otherwise, it would. Otherwise, it would have done the color. Uh, well, you the reason why I'm on Twitch is to be distracted in some way. So don't bother. don't worry yourself about this. If it works, it's gonna be pretty cool. I don't know if anybody would use it, but it's gonna be pretty good for my peace of mind. Um, yeah, I suppose I didn't show any description anywhere, but and also I suppose that trying to describe it is not very useful, but I might as well. When I stream, I want to be listening to some pretty copyrighted music. I want to be listening to the music I want to, but that's not a good thing. That's not allowed. So I want, instead of putting the music in video, I want people to be able to activate a script which will show them the same videos that I'm watching, but without going by like YouTube, like some DJ YouTube sharing thing, which is not. Well, it is better. It's basically what I want to do, but it's not. Like I could basically do that kind of website, but that would require some kind of, yeah. The difference is that if I was using a DJ setup, I don't remember any of the like YouTube watch together. I need to set up a playlist for it specifically, which is pretty annoying. And people need to join the session and everything. So what I want to do is that I want Chrome to check what I'm watching on YouTube and send that data, send like when I play, when I press play, when I press pause, when I jump between timestamps to the viewers. So on their page, it automatically jumps between timestamps, play, pause, and everything. So basically, they're watching the video, like there's no copyright infringement because they're just watching it. And I don't have to worry about if I can listen to it or not. Like, I don't have to worry about which videos I'm watching because other people are just watching it on the side and not through the stream. Ideally, it would be great if I could use a Twitch extension to have a button on the stream that says, do you want to listen to the same thing? But I need to practice it. I need to know what I want to do. So it's just nice in general to summarize what I'm trying to do. Browser action, yeah, that's in V2. So what I was doing right now is I added an action which should inject the content script HTML inside the page, and it does not do that. So even if I put console log here, I don't think it'll show up on the page. Background.js. I keep complaining that I want something like this, so I'm trying to make it myself. Now that I say it, the DJ thing might work. Might work indeed, but I think I'm on the right path. So I refreshed. I want to go on YouTube again. Refresh again. Yeah, those buttons don't do anything. Does it? Yeah, and they don't show on the stream anyway. I want to see details. Inspect view. That's a lot of pages. Okay, so the console log worked. And that's it. Chrome action that unclicked. What did I do? Chrome action that unclicked. Add listener. If I add another here, will it show up at the same place? Is there a refresh button? This part of the screen is completely blocked my mic, so I need to look around it. Uh, all right. Good luck on going back to bed, and nice job on the Google Translate. It worked pretty good. I suppose that whatever I'm saying doesn't really carry through, but um, have a nice. Yeah, I can. Whatever. Good luck. Here. Oh no, right. DevTool was disconnected from the page. Interesting. Was updated because update on reload was checked on. Huh. It's doing a thing. And what am I doing? Oh, did I say one? Wow, time passed quickly. Uh, I suppose I could switch to Spider-Man right now. Execute script. Nah, it doesn't work because the background page is loaded every time. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I suppose there's some limits to what I can do on stream. Like I got started. I have some notes on what on the whole timestamp syncing path. I think I can do that pretty well. It's mostly on the uh, Chrome API in general that I'm a bit puzzled. So I'll probably try to do that off stream. Like read documentation, try to snap it into work. And next time I stream about this will probably be when I'm able to start start a session. Let's say start a host and start a client. Uh, maybe like learn how to load the file. Yeah, mostly like code, like core coding parts is nice to do on stream, but the digging through API is not really doesn't work really well. That so I learned something. So now should I go eat? I suppose I don't think I ate anything today other than that snack. So I think I'll go munch something, watch Demon Slayer, and then come back for Spider-Man. I still have a few hours. Yeah, I should be able to stream for to what? What? Do I not know math? So for 4 hours and 30 minutes around. Um. So yeah, I recorded the stream, but it didn't really change anything, I guess. So I guess I don't have to download it this time. Um. Yep. So it, in general, I don't want to say if someone's watching, but yeah. In general, like have a nice rest of now, and I'll be probably back, hopefully back, probably back soon. See ya.